The United States and China have entered a sharp phase of confrontation in the struggle for global technological dominance. China is an undisputed leader in the field of robotics, being one of the largest producers of industrial robots in the world. In recent years, robot suppliers in this country have significantly increased their production capacities. However, engineers from the United States are not standing still and are also fighting for leadership in the global robotics market. American companies such as Amazon, OpenAI, and Microsoft are investing billions of dollars in the development of advanced humanoid robots with sophisticated artificial intelligence. According to recent data, industrial robot sales in the United States have increased by 40%. However, China's plans are much more ambitious than those of its American competitors. By 2027, China intends to become the world leader in the production of humanoid robots. To achieve this goal, the country is investing tens of billions of dollars in the development of state-of-the-art humanoid and industrial robots. Today we will tell you about the best Chinese and American humanoid robots, and together we will try to assess who will become the global leader in robotics in the coming years. The American humanoid robotics startup, Magic Lab, can boast of its prototype of a new electric two-legged robot. He is capable of performing forward somersaults, an engineering feat that, according to the company, is a first of its kind, challenging the same movements as the Atlas robot from Boston Dynamics. The Silicon Valley startup launched last year primarily works discreetly on creating a lineup of electrically driven humanoid robots. The company stated that it has developed motor connections and drives for its robots to provide them with a high level of mobility and balance, as evidenced by the robot's ability to perform somersaults. According to the company, potential applications for its robots include search and rescue operations, logistics and transportation, industrial automation, and entertainment. However, the robot's design is still in the development stage. This humanoid robot from China has already started working in full swing. It operates at the factory of the Chinese company NIO, which is engaged in the production of electric vehicles. The Walker S robots, presented by UB Tech Robotics, assist in quality checking of door locks, seatbelts, and headlights, as well as attaching logos to cars. Unfortunately, there are no exact details about the characteristics of the new robot, but its predecessor was 145 centimeters tall, weighed 77 kilograms, and was equipped with a lithium iron phosphate battery, providing only 2 hours of autonomous operation. Although NIO has not yet made an official statement regarding the pilot program for the use of humanoid robots, UB Tech Robotics enthusiastically assesses the potential use of robots on electric vehicle assembly lines to increase productivity. The company claims on its website that the future of humanity lies in the coexistence of humans and robots. The American company Apptronik can boast its general-purpose humanoid robot called Apollo. Apollo stands at 173 centimeters tall and weighs approximately 73 kilograms. The battery pack allows the robot to operate continuously for up to 4 hours. The new humanoid robot is capable of consistently carrying loads weighing up to 25 kilograms. Thus, Apollo can provide significant support to employees on production lines, large logistics centers, warehouse facilities, and more. The machine can be used for loading and unloading vans, stacking boxes on pallets, moving goods, and other tasks. Apollo has a modular design, allowing it to be produced in various configurations. In addition to the two-legged version, there is an option in the form of a torso mounted on a special wheeled cart. Furthermore, a fully stationary version is available, which can be directly connected to a power source at the workplace. This ensures flexibility of use in different environments. This Chinese robot recently made a real breakthrough. It's Unitree, a humanoid robot that can walk faster than a human. It can walk and even run at a speed of 12 kilometers per hour, approximately 7.5 miles per hour, covering 10 kilometers in 50 minutes. Due to its advanced mobility capabilities, it can lift boxes, adeptly climb up and down stairs, and even perform vertical jumps. Moreover, it can communicate with humans through speech and gestures, which makes us forget after a while that it is a machine. This is despite the fact that it is currently unable to mimic typical human behavior. The modular structure of the robot allows it to be adapted to the user's needs, and the company plans to add arms to the robot soon, further expanding its capabilities. Thus, the H1 will be able to perform even more complex tasks, such as operating tools or equipment. The price of the H1 is approximately $150,000. The American startup Figure AI has managed to astonish the world with its humanoid robot Figure 01. designed to eventually replace humans in performing heavy mechanical work. The company is rapidly advancing the project, teaching the robot to walk with balance in less than a year. Recently, the figure robot learned to perform tasks solely based on observing humans. The American startup stated that its robot can observe how people perform tasks, analyze them, and then autonomously carry out the same tasks. For example, Figure 01 was able to autonomously brew coffee after studying videos for 10 hours without any programmed instructions. Additionally, in a recent video, the company demonstrated how the robot independently moves boxes from one place to another in an improvised warehouse. And recently, the Figure 01 demonstrated the ability to recognize speech, answer questions, and follow commands, interacting with humans. To achieve this, Figure engineers combined the capabilities of the robot with a visual linguistic model developed by OpenAI. The Chinese company Kepler Exploration Robot Company has unveiled the general-purpose humanoid robot Kepler 4Runner, which is a direct competitor to Elon Musk's Tesla robot Optimus. The model stands at 178 centimeters tall and weighs 85 kilograms. The limbs are powered by patented linear roller screw actuators and rotary drives. Among the areas targeted for the 4Runner series robots, the company mentions manufacturing, logistics, object inspection, and performing high-risk tasks, including outdoor operations. Kepler can hear using an array of 4 long-range microphones and speaks through a voice module via built-in speakers. Information from all the robot's sensors is processed by the Intelligent Nebula AI system. It is responsible for object and face recognition, robot orientation and navigation in complex environments, obstacle avoidance, and walking on uneven surfaces. Production is set to begin in the third quarter of 2024. Several versions of the robot will be available for use in manufacturing, object inspection, outdoor work, and hazardous conditions. Additionally, the robot is positioned as a tool for robotics research and education. The preliminary cost of the robot is $30,000. It remains to be seen whether the Chinese robot can compete effectively with its American counterpart from Tesla. Optimus Gen 2 from Tesla is the new generation two-legged humanoid robot that can walk, dance, and manipulate various objects quickly. The manufacturer has announced that the innovation will soon be able to replace humans in some types of work. According to the company's statement, the robot is a universal bipedal humanoid capable of performing tasks that are dangerous, monotonous, or boring for humans. Compared to the old version, the robot has improved balancing capabilities, increased speed by 30%, and reduced weight by 10 kilograms. Moreover, Tesla's development is now trained in dancing and handling fragile items, including even chicken eggs. The company indicated that Optimus Gen 2 is equipped with drives and sensors created specifically for it, resulting in its neck having 2 degrees of freedom and its hands having 11 of them, ensuring smoother and swifter movements. Expedition A1 is another multifunctional humanoid robot from China. It is being developed by the company Agibot, founded by a young entrepreneur who previously worked at Huawei. The robot stands at 175 centimeters tall and weighs 53 kilograms. Initially, it is being developed as a factory worker or a household assistant. It can walk on 2 legs and reach speeds of up to 7 kilometers per hour. This is a versatile machine capable of performing tasks such as tightening bolts on assembly lines, handling tools, conducting external inspections of vehicles, and even serving as a model for laboratory experiments. Imagine it bringing and pouring water, delivering medications, and even performing household chores such as cooking. In the future, the robot may even help children with their homework. The robot is equipped with a color and depth camera, RGBD, and LiDAR sensors, allowing it to analyze the surrounding environment. This enables it to maintain stability even during deliberate attempts to disrupt its balance. The company has not yet disclosed specific prices but promises to keep the price of the Expedition A1 below $30,000 per unit. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video impressed you the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. See you next time.